Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can earn money on Twitter. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open up the X app on your mobile device and make sure it's updated to its latest version. And after that you will be redirected to the home page of your account where all of the posts of people you follow will be available. Now just tap on your profile icon at the top left corner and select monetization tab. Inside the monetization tab, there will be two options for you to choose from. Either select the first one if you offer content and charge monthly for it, but if you want to earn from ads, so for that you have to select the second one. Now note that there are some requirements that you must fulfill in order to earn through ads. The first one is that you must have a verified Twitter on X account. The second one is that you must have at least 5 million impressions on your post altogether in past 3 months. The last one is that you should have more than 500 followers, and once you're eligible for this campaign you can just set up your account here, and after that you will be able to earn money. This is basically how you can earn money on Twitter. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.